Good afternoon, I am Shrehan and I'll be telling you about my strategy to win my first programming competition. Initially, I read all the 6 problems and rearranged the problems I had solved. The questions were to be 2 easy ones, 2 medium, and 2 hard ones based on difficulty. I analyzed the easy ones and solved them first, then I went to the medium ones, and lastly, I solved the hard ones. This had been my first programming competition and I am really happy to win it. The level of problems were good and ample time had been provided to solve the questions. I trained a lot for this competition, advanced my concepts in analytical thinking, logical reasoning, problem solving, and typing. I wrote rough plans for all the problems and tested through various concepts. Then I chose the fastest approach and typed it out in the editor. Right after my solution was accepted, I went to the next question without wasting any further time. I solved the challenge within an hour and got full points in every question. Ranked 1 in the leaderboard, I had solved 5 questions faster than everybody else. It was a great learning experience and a lot of fun for a coding enthusiast like me. Lastly, I like to conclude by saying that I really enjoyed the competition and I would gladly participate in more such events in the future. Thank you.
Good afternoon all, I am Udayan Naik from Griffins International School and I seek your second position at Smart Coder competition, and I like to share my views over Smart Coder competitions. The experience throughout the competition was smooth and any type of problem I didn't cross through, and the time limits is overall okay, and I like to enroll me more competitions like Smart Coder. Thank you.
First, let me introduce myself. My name is Reyash Roy. I am a student of St. Mary's Orphanage and School Damdam. I am currently studying in class 9. I was lucky enough to be introduced to the world of computers at a very young age. Even though I was very interested in computers, I never even thought about learning how to code or anything remotely close to that. I used my personal computer to study, write essays, and play. I started learning basics of Java and Python when the lockdown had started. I used to spend hours learning the basics of programming. I was loved with programming, the fact that I could write a few lines of code and get my computer to say or do something blew in my mind, and I thought it's the coolest thing to do. Same feeling I still have today. At first the learning was super slow. I could not understand a lot of the concepts and I couldn't get my code to do what I wanted to. As time went by, I started to understand things better. Coding is how we communicate with computers, and we use to build and run website, apps, games, and more. This communication is carried out via a number of different languages. Java and Python are the two languages I am currently learning. I wish to expand my knowledge more, and thus each and every day I try to learn something new and exciting. This Smart Coders challenge that I participated in was really challenging and exciting for me. I was able to apply my concepts and I really enjoyed solving the problems given. I would like to thank PP Poddar Institute of Management and Technology for this opportunity. All my hard work paid off. I am extremely happy to secure the third position in this challenge. I'll try to improve my coding skills and do better in the future.